Welcome, class, to a workshop on Coach Joe rules. In this lesson, we will review Coach Joe rule number 34, which states, understand the difference between an object and a data structure. Early in your software education, you learned that a class can contain a constructor, properties, and methods. A property can be hidden or exposed with the getter-setter method. A method can also be hidden or exposed. Did anyone tell you exposing both properties and methods in a single class is bad? A class should either be a data structure or an object with behavior. A data structure is like a real-world object. For example, a contact from your address book. It's a way to organize data to be passed around or managed as a single object. This is done with properties and getter-setter methods. Try to remember, a data structure is an object that has things. An object with behavior is a way to perform some service, like connecting to a cell phone provider and making an outbound call. This is done with methods and hidden properties. Try to remember, an object with behavior does things. Combining a data structure that has things with behavior that does things is one of the most common mistakes made by junior-level developers. A word of warning, avoid heading down this path. Although the code will work, this hybrid class is beginning to break Coach Joe rule number 6. The contact data is one thing, the cell phone provider service is another. Along with this rule, the hybrid class is also breaking all the object-oriented principles, one or more solid principles, and the law of Demeter. Consider this. If you need contact data, should you also get additional services? No, anything other than contact data would be unexpected. Or, would you go to the service class to get the email address of the contact? No, the service class should not be exposing contact data. The more this hybrid class is utilized by the application, the more difficult it will be to make design changes, maintenance updates, and testing. Here are some common characteristics to help understand the differences. A data structure has things, and an object with specific responsibilities does things. All classes can have a constructor, even if it is a zero-parameter empty constructor. Exposed properties will be in a data structure. This includes having a getter and setter methods. Objects that have specific responsibilities will likely have properties that are not exposed to other outside classes. No getter-setter methods. A data structure will not have exposed methods that perform a behavior or service. Objects that have specific responsibilities will. Notice that either properties are exposed or methods are exposed, not both. I challenge you to create a proper class by making a data structure or an object that has behavior. Leave a comment down below with issues you've encountered with hybrid classes. Look for other helpful Coach Joe videos. Remember, future senior developers, make it work, prove it works, then make it better. Ready, break!